Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and I just want to get on here really quick and say that I have a new item on Etsy. I've been showing you how to do cut letters, but for those of you who maybe don't want to do them yourself, I've made 6 little, not quotes, phrases, Christian phrases like saved by grace, Jesus never fails, Jesus saves, walk by faith, trust in the Lord, and He is for you. And I've scanned them in, and they're sized on there about, like this one is too big to put in a journal, so I reduced it down so that it will fit into a regular journal. So if you are interested in just buying those and printing them out, they're out there, and I will put a link in the description so you can find it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you real soon.